Freebokkoman is a nigga. What you mean?
Who are you, man?
I'm Freebokkoman, dog.
You're Freebokkoman.
Yeah. Freebokkoman is a young nigga from Zone 10, Sebokeng, in the Val. I'm a rapper, singer, songwriter, stylist, fashion, what. I'm pretty much I'm a versatile person. I'm a creative person, yeah. I think 2016, yeah. I initially started, I started, yeah, 2015, 2016, somewhere there. That's when I started making music. Being serious about it was like 20, yeah. I only became serious about music in 2018, so I'm like 5 years deep now. Yeah. I'm inspired by a lot of people, mostly artists from South Africa, like Mandoza, Msawawa, Pro Kid. But my biggest inspiration has to be AKA. AKA was one of my biggest inspirations. Not in any order. I think I'm gonna have Eminem, and then I'm gonna have who else? Ghana. I just recently added Ghana, and then yeah, Mendoza. There's a song by Ghana, Tend Your Back, and then Trends by Metro Booming, and then Belong Here by Amir Obey. Yeah, a lot. I grew up in the hood, so obviously fighting is part of the culture where I'm from. So yeah, I've been in a fight, plenty of them. Has to be Dubai or Cape Town. Dubai or Cape Town. Firstly, let's start local. Local, I'd like a feature with Maglera Doughboy. I also want to do something with Just Sam. There's a guy in the bar called Just Sam. I really like that. Number 3 has to be Drake, but that's a wild one. Yeah, Drake. Drake. Metro Booming, and then number 5 has to be. Who else would I like to work with? Post Malone. He's also one of my favorite artists of all time. Post Malone. Be yourself, be you. All times. At all times. If somebody fucks with you, they do. If they don't, they don't. There's nothing you can do about it. What people think of you is not your problem. It's not a you thing, it's their thing. You can't really control what people think of you. Got my drink here ready with me.
Yeah.
The black juice.
Alright, man.
Let's get to it. Label. I feel like with a label, you can do more. You get to you get to have more resources to actually express how creative you are. Cause for me, I've been independent all my career, dog, and there's things I'd like to do that I can't do because of money. You see, yeah. So I feel like a label can help you with those sort of things. Yeah. Green. I'll go green all day. Clean. Sleep. I know it's for the rich, but sleep. Whoa. Aight. Oh. I'm finna get fucked up. Designer all day. A designer though. Future. Pluto. Hey, I forgot to mention Future. He's like top 1 favorite artist of all time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or Boost.
Kanye West. Kanye West. I feel like you can do more with Josie. I feel like Josie understands the business, so I'm gonna go the Josie way. Gold Mafia. Mohammed Khan. Shout out my nigga Mohammed Khan. I see you, nigga. AKA. I feel like AKA. In terms of music, ne?
In terms of everything.
I've never really been a Casper fan. That's about it. It's not that deep. Like I've never been a Casper fan. I've always been a AKA fan. Yeah. So for me, AKA. Nasty C. I feel like Nasty C is. With Nasty C, I'm seeing progress. I like progress. With Reese, I feel like, hey man, you've been doing the same thing. No offense, but you've been doing the same thing a long time, my nigga. Yeah. That one I'm drinking too. It's Java. It's Java. But I also fuck with Molly. Shout out Molly. Ghana. Oh. I feel like saying both is just me taking the easiest way out, but like I have different reasons why I like both. So
you can explain the different reasons why that.
Okay, I'm still gonna drink though.
Yeah.
But Jay-Z is one of the reasons I make music today. One of the first artists I owned like a full album of, you know. Like Jay-Z, I feel like Jay-Z inspired me a lot in terms of like how I view life in general. And then Weezy just inspired my creative side. You know, Weezy was like super expressive, super like free to be himself. So like that's why I'm like, oh okay, I don't mind being this age and wearing a shirt that's written fuck on it because of Weezy. Yeah. But yeah, I'm still gonna drink. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna drink to that too. Sosa, Chief Keef. Definitely Chief Keef. I think I'm gonna go Kodak Black, even though it might be better. But Kodak Black. Yeah. Me, I like them wretched bitches. You know. Only hit it once a year, that's after Christmas. Agassi, dog. Agassi. I think I'm gonna go Nota because I know a lot of people don't like Nota, but like, I fuck with Nota though. I feel like Nota knows what he be on. Sometimes. I fuck with Nota. I'm more into series. Yeah, series. High life. Okay. That's what I'm aspiring to achieve. High life. Lamborghini. Hey. I'd rather not answer that one. What's Batman under?
DC.
Oh shit. Take my shot back. Batman all day. Richard. I feel like Richard is grown man shit.
Yeah.
Puma boys.
Yeah.
Puma. If you ever see this, Puma, please talk to me. Biggie. I feel like I'm just gonna say Kanye West. Solely for Kanye West, cause I feel like Kanye West is that guy for me, cause you know the confidence, the believing in yourself thing, the I don't care if I'm wrong, I'm just here to learn. Nobody has a life manual, and I feel like Kanye West is like up there. I look up to Kanye West every day. I wake up every day and listen to a Kanye West podcast. Shapes my whole day. You know, so I feel like Kanye West. Not really. I feel like I was a good kid till to a certain point. You know, high school. Hey, that's where shit starts. But like, no, I was pretty much a quiet kid. I feel like it's the way to go. Venek. I feel like Venek is the way to go. I feel like you can reach more people, especially where I'm from, where I'm at. I feel like if you're a South African artist, it's much easier to like take it to the top in Venek. A clear example is Maglera. Like, there's a lot of people that Maglera found here, but like surpassed in like a short period of time. So I feel like Venek can take you further where I'm from. What am I gonna do with my first million? Buy my mama a house.
Bless.
Loyalty or respect? Ooh. I'm gonna go with loyalty. I'm gonna go with loyalty. What's next for me is okay. I've been chilling. I took the whole year off. Like, even yesterday I slept at the studio. I didn't do shit. This whole year, I can swear, ne? Yeah, this whole year I've been chilling. Not making music, not doing nothing. So maybe next year I'm gonna start flooding content, not just music. I think I'm gonna do a young Doki. I think I'm gonna do obviously music. I'm gonna do a lot of music next year to make up for this year. And everything. I just want everybody to stay glued to the Muddy Trouble page, and then that's where everything is gonna go down. And that one is a tough one. You know, what's funny? I've never thought about it before. Because I always felt like I'm a young nigga. No, I'm not a person that thinks a lot about my mortality. Like I just feel like I'm gonna live forever. But when it's all said and done, I wanna be remembered as a guy that changed. A guy that changed the landscape of music, that changed my family's lives, my friends' lives. Like, I wanna be remembered as that one guy that was like, that's always been there to be like assistant to anybody who needed it, you know. Like, I just wanna be this one I'm gonna have to go back and sit and think about it by
Yeah.
myself, you know. But yeah, I just wanna change my mama's life, dog.
Right.
I just wanna make my mom proud, you know. Yeah, you're gonna have to watch that one, see if I like it. If you don't, we do it again, bro.
Thanks, bro.